Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Realme Buds Air 5. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now your earbuds will reconnect to your phone automatically. And as you can see, we have connected here. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that close the case. The earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so then just open it and it will reconnect to your phone. Also, and as you can see, we have connected. Also, I recommend it to check is your earbuds charged. Also, what we can do, we can remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press and hold this connection button at the bottom to enter pairing mode. Now click on it, and we have connected again. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset, so put it to the charging case, and after that press and hold this connection button until these LED lights start flashing green and white. Here we go, we have it. Now we should remove it, so forget this device, forget device. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And after hard reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!